Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Simeon, and I'm in my kitchen right now getting ready to introduce to you episode 1 of Cooking with Simi, where today we'll be making mashed potatoes. First, we'll need a strainer, we'll need a spoon, we'll need a whisk, cutting board, milk, we're going to need butter, sour cream, salt, your seasoning of your favorite kind, potatoes, a saucepan, and a big giant pot. Also, we cannot forget, we need potatoes as well. Because without those things, we cannot make mashed potatoes. Let's go. Now, what I like to do first is boil the water. You gotta boil the water. If you don't boil the water, then you don't know what you're doing. Look, so now that we got our water, everything's getting ready to get started. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna actually wash the potatoes. Me personally, I'm not going to peel them because I don't have a peeler. But I mean, you ever had those mashed potatoes where you can still feel the skin? Man, that's honestly my favorite form of mashed potatoes anyway. So let's do it. We can finally start chopping these potatoes, but don't laugh at what I'm gonna use to cut. Don't laugh. Yes, I am using a butter knife. All right, anyway, so chop them in half first. And then we go straight down the middle. And you do it like so. Make sure you watch out for your hands. Yes, people can still cut themselves with a butter knife, like me. With the way the world is going today, we all need to reevaluate what's going on within our own infrastructure within our lives. See, the reason why they're able to do what they do, the powers that be, for example, they're able to do it through division. The minute that we allow ourselves to stop being this, cut in half like a potato, right? And allow us to be a whole potato. You see, it's hard to cut this knife. Even any knife, it's hard to cut a knife through a whole potato with ease. But you split it in half, it's easier now. It's way easier to cut. And that's what they do. That's how they want us to be. They want us to be separated. So let's not be separated. Let's be a whole potato. Now, as we see here, the water been boiling. It's ready to go. And I'm ready to dump these in here. But first, what I'm gonna do is put butter. I'm gonna put butter in here and salt. All right, as we see, the potatoes are simmering down. Already looking delicious. All right, let's see if we can put our fork through it. All right, so let's begin mashing. Now, all the stuff that I'm doing, you can do with your children, whatever, with your family. You know what I'm saying? You can teach them something new. You know, I was blessed to have a good cook growing up. All right. So, as you already know, I don't have a masher. I'm just gonna mash it until it gets mashed up. So now what's missing to help mash it up is the milk and the butter. Look, now remember, you cannot have cold milk while doing mashed potatoes because then it'll just make everything turn into like boulders, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna warm up the milk with a saucepan, which I showed you earlier, with the butter, and then we're gonna pour all of that in with the mashed potatoes, and then we're gonna really mash. Listen, y'all can have y'all way, but my way is, I like the skin. I like to taste the skin. All right, so now that we have everything together, our mashed potatoes are whipped nicely. Let's start adding new ingredients to it, like bacon, cheese. You can add other things that you may like to it to make your mashed potatoes even better. Wow. Then I had some leftover ribs with this. This is good. But for more food and for more things that I'm gonna make, please like and subscribe today, right now. And let's figure out some more things together because I want to entertain you all the best way I can. So it's your boy SYME, and I'm out.